Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Dodge Durango Limited. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Dodge has less than 194,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, roof rails, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and window defogger. Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.